Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. I have completed the task. I have completed the task. I'll send you the report. I'll send you the report. Could you please check this? Could you please check this? I'll do it right away. I'll do it right away. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. You did a great job. You did a great job. Can you join the call? Can you join the call? I'm sending you the file. I'm sending you the file. Please reply to this email. Please reply to this email. Let's discuss this later. Let's discuss this later. The meeting is at 10 a.m. The meeting is at 10 a.m. I'm working on the project. I'm working on the project. The deadline is tomorrow. The deadline is tomorrow. I'll finish it on time. I'll finish it on time. Could you please explain? Could you please explain? I understand the point. I understand the point. Let me double check that. Let me double check that. I'll update you soon. I'll update you soon. Can we meet after lunch? Can we meet after lunch? Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Please review this document. Please review this document. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Sorry, I was on mute. Sorry, I was on mute. Please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen. I agree with your idea. I agree with your idea. That's a good suggestion. That's a good suggestion. Let's work on it together. Let's work on it together. I'll make the changes. I'll make the changes. Please send me the update. Please send me the update. It's an urgent task. It's an urgent task. I'll handle it carefully. I'll handle it carefully. Can you approve this request? Can you approve this request? Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. I'll improve it next time. I'll improve it next time. The system is slow today. The system is slow today. Let's fix this issue. Let's fix this issue. I'll contact the IT team. I'll contact the IT team. Please join the training session. Please join the training session. I'm updating the report. I'm updating the report. The file is too large to send. The file is too large to send. I'll upload it to the drive. I'll upload it to the drive. Please check your inbox. Please check your inbox. I'm waiting for your approval. I'm waiting for your approval. I'll call you in 5 minutes. I'll call you in 5 minutes. Can we have a quick call? Can we have a quick call? Please share your opinion. Please share your opinion. That's a good point. That's a good point. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. Let's prepare the presentation. Let's prepare the presentation. I'll design the slides. I'll design the slides. We'll present it tomorrow. We'll present it tomorrow. Please check the spelling. Please check the spelling. I'll correct the mistake. I'll correct the mistake. It looks much better now. It looks much better now. I'll print the documents. I'll print the documents. Please sign here. Please sign here. The client is waiting. The client is waiting. Let's meet the client now. Let's meet the client now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. I'll send you the summary. I'll send you the summary. Let's schedule the next meeting. Let's schedule the next meeting. When are you available? When are you available? I'm free this afternoon. I'm free this afternoon. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Let's meet at 3 p.m. I'll see you there. I'll see you there. Don't forget your notes. Don't forget your notes. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Let me check my calendar. Let me check my calendar. I'll send you an invite. I'll send you an invite. Please confirm your attendance. Please confirm your attendance. That's all for today. That's all for today. Have a productive day. Have a productive day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Take care. Take care. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great evening. Have a great evening. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? The fitting room is over there. The fitting room is over there. It fits you perfectly. It fits you perfectly. It's a little too big. It's a little too big. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? This one looks better on you. This one looks better on you. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive. Do you have any offers today? Do you have any offers today? This price is too high. This price is too high. Can you make it cheaper? Can you make it cheaper? That's my final offer. That's my final offer. Okay, I'll buy it. Okay, I'll buy it. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you accept UPI? Do you accept UPI? Here's my card. Here's my card. Please enter your PIN. Please enter your PIN. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Yes, please. No, I have my own. No, I have my own. Can you gift wrap it? Can you gift wrap it? How much is the total? How much is the total? That will be 500 rupees. That will be 500 rupees. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Here's your receipt. Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. I'll come again. I'll come again. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Can I return this later? Can I return this later? What is your return policy? What is your return policy? You can return it within 7 days. You can return it within 7 days. The product is damaged. The product is damaged. Can I exchange it? Can I exchange it? Yes, please bring your bill. Yes, please bring your bill. Sorry, we don't have that color. Sorry, we don't have that color. This one is new arrival. This one is new arrival. It's very popular this season. It's very popular this season. Do you have this in red? Do you have this in red? Let me check in stock. Let me check in stock. Sorry, it's out of stock. Sorry, it's out of stock. When will it be available again? When will it be available again? Maybe next week. Maybe next week. Can I order it online? Can I order it online? Yes, we can deliver it to your home. Yes, we can deliver it to your home. How many days for delivery? How many days for delivery? It will take 3 days. It will take 3 days. Do you offer free delivery? Do you offer free delivery? Yes, for orders above 1,000 rupees. Yes, for orders above 1,000 rupees. I'd like to buy more items. I'd like to buy more items. Where is the home section? Where is the home section? It's on the 2nd floor. It's on the 2nd floor. Where is the billing counter? Where is the billing counter? It's near the entrance. It's near the entrance. Can you show me the latest designs? Can you show me the latest designs? These are trending now. These are trending now. Do you have matching shoes? Do you have matching shoes? Yes, over there. Yes, over there. That looks great on you. That looks great on you. Can I have 2 of these? Can I have 2 of these? Sure, I'll pack 'em for you. Sure, I'll pack 'em for you. Please hurry, I'm in a rush. Please hurry, I'm in a rush. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a great shopping day. Have a great shopping day. Come back soon. Come back soon.